This is a proposal for ConstructIT, which is an app for recording, visualizing, and predicting construction sales and costs. So ConstructIT can record. The tool enables quick and easy data entry accessible by employees to record sales data. It can visualize. The tool visualizes construction sales and cost data to enable sense making of trends. And it can predict. The tool makes predictions about the material costs, labor costs, time to completion, and sales trends. And the app can have commercial value outside the use of the company as a sign-in software as a service application. To implement ConstructIT, we can develop the application as a web app that can be accessed online and have a sign-in process that only allows employees to access it, a user interface elements for entering data, implement a database using MongoDB, online database management tool, and explore options for visualizing the data collected in the database in the interface of the tool. For example, what questions do employees have about the labor costs, material costs, and sales? The tool can be used to forecast and predict sales and cost data. For example, we could predict the materials costs and labor costs of a new project given the size and type of the project. We could predict the time to completion of a new project given the size and type of project. And we could forecast the sales per quarter and model seasonal trends. This data can be used to fill out bids and predict the time to completion. This is the interface of the constructed application. This is the login flow. The user puts in their username and password. The login was successful. This is all the data that's on the login screen, all projects. It's a multi-page table that a user can scroll through. The table is editable, so once you click edit, you can go into the table and edit the values. And the charts update dynamically when you edit the values. You can download a CSV of the data. This is the CSV of all the projects. And down below is the sales and cost data over time. So this is a visualization of the sales price over time and the cost data through time. And below that is the prediction panel where you can predict labor and material costs given square feet using a linear regression model. You can see the predicted labor costs and predicted material costs for a 100,000 square foot project. And you can predict the time to completion for a 10,000 or 100,000 square foot project as well. This is the adding a new project panel where you have project name, project type, square feet, materials, labor, start date, end date, overall cost, and sales price. The user can submit that and it gets added to the database. This is the AI assistant that you can ask questions to in natural language and get a response back based on what you have stored in the database. For example, it's saying predict overall sales in September given sales in the past. And it gives a prediction of what the sales are going to be in September. Here it says provide an efficiency rating for the projects on a scale of 1 to 10 given the size of the project and the days to completion. So you can figure out how efficient the company is being on each project given the size and scope of the project and how long it took to be completed. Here it says what are the total sales. Provides the total sales measure. What are the total costs? Provides total costs, 1.5 million. How many projects are there? It says there are 7 projects. What are all the project names? And gives you all the project names. You can ask what the project details are for one particular project, and gives you the details for that project. You can ask what is the average cost for a project, and gives you the average cost, 250,000. What is the average square feet for a project? And it gives you the average square feet. So that is the constructed application in its current manifestation. A application that records, visualizes, and predicts construction sales and costs.